Alrighty guys, today we're doing a move called the Jester. So here it is, that's the move, and here is a slow-mo. Alright, so to get right into it, this move brought to my attention by a guy named
Balisong.
It's a pretty cool move. It's kind of unique. He has some cool combos, so check out his channel if you're into combos. But for this move, just to get started, all you're going to do, you're going to hold on to the safe handle with your thumb about 3/4 of the way up the knife with your bottom 4 fingers, just resting on it here like this. And you're going to be able to fling out the bite handle. Classic. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to take your index, you're going to remove it, and point it upwards like that. And then you're going to take the bite handle and you're going to fling it out over your last 3 fingers. At this point, you're going to take your index, you're going to place it in front of the safe handle, and then you're going to pull towards yourself like that. So once again, right, you got the safe handle, you remove your index, you fling out the bite handle, you insert your index, you pull towards yourself. At this point, you're going to go into a rotation, very similar to the start of Behind the 8 Ball. So at this point, right when it hits, you're going to release, and the knife is going to do about a half rotation. And you're going to catch the safe handle. Now, the important thing about this catch is when you catch it, you don't want to catch it on the side of the safe handle like this. You want to reach underneath and you want to touch your thumb to your index finger, and you want to catch it so that your thumb is underneath the safe handle like that, right? Not on the side, not on the top, if you could even do that, but underneath like that. So what that'll look like, right, starting here, index out, over, index in, hit your finger, and you're going to catch with your thumb in this position right here. Something like this. Now, from here, what you do is once you've caught in this position here with your thumb underneath, you're going to take your ring finger and your middle finger and you're going to place them on the top of the blade and bite handle here, like that. One thing you're going to note is that the safe handle is pointed sideways here. And the next thing to do is to take the safe handle and you're going to point it upwards, like that. So once again, right, you fling out the bite handle, insert your index finger, pull towards yourself, your ring finger and middle finger go on top of the blade and bite handle. I'm going to point the safe handle, which is pointing left. I'm going to point it upwards. I'm going to use my middle finger and my ring finger, and I'm going to curl them inwards until the blade is in line with my wrist, just like that. So once again, right, you do this rotation, catch with the thumb underneath, fingers rest on the top, safe handle upwards, curl my middle finger inwards until the blade is in line with my wrist and the knife is resting right over top of my middle finger, just like this. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb and you're going to place on the side of the safe handle, just like this. From here, with this pinch that's happening between your thumb and your index finger, I'm going to be able to extend my bottom 4 fingers like that. At this point, all you're going to do is you're going to take your palm, you're going to point it downwards, and you're going to do a little bit of a pull towards yourself, and that's going to close the handles, and you can catch. So that's the whole move. So to go over it one more time, right, you got the safe handle, you fling out the bite handle, insert your index, pull towards yourself, catch with the thumb underneath, fingers rest on the top, safe handle upwards, curl your fingers inwards, thumb goes on the side of the safe handle, 4 fingers extend, and you close. Now, of course, that's a bunch of different parts. When you put it together, right, at first, it's going to look kind of slow. But, of course, as you get good and you can just practice, you can make it smoother and smoother and smoother as time goes on. So that's the whole move. There's actually some interesting things that you can do with this one. You can actually mix it really nicely with the last part of the helix, which is on Jester's channel, or
Balisong.
same thing. Yeah, but that's it. Pretty simple move. Hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.